Who doesn't love flip-flops? Around the world, the flip-flop is one of the most worn types of footwear. No matter who you are or what you do, you likely own a pair. Unfortunately, the process that goes into making these shoes has not changed much over the past 50 years. Overseas factories pumping out millions of pairs of rubber or plastic shoes. Shoes manufactured to fall apart at super inexpensive prices, all with the final destination, the landfill. We knew that there had to be a better way. What if we could truly love the flip-flops that we wear without all the baggage that comes with them? What if they could provide varying levels of support in a custom-designed footbed that fit your specific needs? What if they were made using eco-friendly materials that could be repurposed once they had lived a long-worn life? We at Impact Footwear set out to change the way we think about flip-flop sandals. We wanted to create a custom shoe designed by you for your specific needs using 3D technology. Introducing the Impact F1 Flip-Flop. Footwear technology built around the concept of being eco-focused, locally produced, strong, and more resistant to breaking and wear, and comfortable for your feet. It all begins with using 3D technology to design your own shoe. Our customization tool was created to make any individual truly a shoe designer. Selecting from different options, you can design a sandal that is perfectly matched to your needs. Using our sample 3D design tool, you get to pick your insole, midsole, and outsole pattern to match the comfort and traction you are looking for. Want it comfier? Choose a lattice structure that behaves like gel foam. Want something firmer? Choose a lattice that will support your foot. With 3 independent comfort zones, this sandal is unlike any other shoe you have ever worn. Our sandal has a 3D printed footbed and a removable upper. This allows for an opportunity to extend the life of your shoe. The footbed is made of a durable thermoplastic that is vapor sealed to lock out dirt and water. This makes this footbed extremely durable for wear and remaining clean. Once you have fully used the footbed, you can send it back to us so that we can grind and repurpose the material. Our removable and replaceable upper allows for you to change it out like an accessory for your shoe. Tired of the color or look of the upper? Simply swap it out for a new option. Changing the way we think about our feet and the impact our purchases make on the environment is what got us motivated at Impact Footwear to revolutionize the way we approach footwear. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to make a change. Will you make an impact this year? We hope you will join us in changing footwear for the good.